how to fix Python was not found. So just go to your PC and then C drive, program files, then look for Python, go to scripts, copy the address, type PC, right click, properties, then just go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables, then under system variables click on path, edit, new, and paste. OK. Then just go back and click on then go to this folder, copy the address bar, then just go back and just copy the address bar. And you can see, if I type Python version, Python space -- version, I can see my Python version. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.